Hey guys, Sterling here with H&S Motorsports. Today we're going to talk about our lower fuel filter upgrade kit for the 11 to 16 6.7 Power Stroke. These factory plastic lower fuel bowls are absolute garbage. Let's get rid of it. This is our lower fuel filter upgrade kit for the 11 to 16 Power Stroke. This is going to come complete with everything that you need to install. In typical H&S Motorsports fashion, it's a very simple install. You're going to get your pre-assembled fuel lines. Again, you don't have to worry about push lock fittings or anything like that. No dealing with hose clamps. These are going to come assembled and ready to install. You're going to get your cap filter, your 10 micron cap filter. You're going to get our billet lower fuel filter bowl that keeps your factory water and fuel sensor. You're going to get your mounting bracket, your fuel filter housing, your little bit of hardware that you need. You're going to get our patented fuel inlet valve. This allows you to bypass the factory fuel filter housing, and then you'll get the tool needed to install the inlet valve. As far as install goes, this is a super easy install. You're talking 30-40 minutes in your driveway, basic hand tools, no cutting, no splicing, no anything like that. You don't have to drop the tank. You don't have to drill a hole for a sump, none of that. With this kit, you're also going to get rid of the factory plastic fuel cap that are notorious for cracking. We'll replace it with our billet HSM fuel bowl, and then you're going to get the CAT 10 micron fuel filter and water separator. This is going to make for much easier fuel filter changes in the future, much cleaner fuel filter changes, and a much less expensive fuel filter change. You can find these at your favorite diesel parts retailer or online at hs-motorsports.com.